What's up, guys? It's Stuart from Finish Line Factory. I'm here with Dave, just driving the truck.
What up, brother?
We are on the way to pick up the Miata engine. It is finally ready for us. The machine shop is finally finished with it. So we're going to go grab that and take a look over it, give you guys all the details. And got anything to add?
Well, this is a very exciting day for us. So I've been waiting on this engine for a while, so I'm not sure if you watched one of my previous videos. I purchased a ton of parts from this guy on Craigslist, about $11,000 in parts, paid about $3,000 for everything. One of those was a fully built engine. So I got the head getting serviced at the machine shop right now, and I also had them disassemble the engine, take it apart, take a look at it, make sure everything's in spec, everything's good, no surprises there. So we're heading to the machine shop right now. It's been a little while, but yeah, you know what? It's worth waiting for good quality work. So we're heading there right now. It'll be about half an hour, so we'll jump over there. Stuart, close it out.
All right, so we just got to the shop that has been building our engine, and we just picked it up. So let's flip the camera around and show you guys what we got here, because
Yes.
we're pretty stunned. This came out really good.
Nice. So here's the new engine. We've got, let's see, JE pistons. I think these are Eagle rods, equipped with some nice ARP main studs, ARP head studs.
And look, they put little paint markers on it to show that everything's been torqued to spec.
Oh yes.
That's fantastic.
Here's the head. Look at this perfect.
The head looks
all
so
cleaned up.
pretty.
You know, just refreshed the factory specs, but I got new valve seats, new valve guides. Everything's been refreshed, so this is good to go. And yeah, we're really excited.
I'm super happy. They pulled out all the plugs and cleaned out all the oil galleries and stuff like that.
Oh yeah. This is awesome. I'm very excited. Unfortunately, we got the hurricane coming, so we'll see what we're gonna do. But yeah, can't wait. We're excited. So I think what I'm gonna do now, I've got some parts I'm gonna hand off to my buddy AJ. I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna hand him I have an old BMW charge pipe that I've been holding on to for a long time. I'm telling him I'm gonna give it to him. So that's it. Let's do that. Come on.
All right. And we are back.
All right. So currently driving home to my house. Well, I mean that's generally where you would be if you were going home. But I got the engine in the back. So we would be installing the engine on Saturday over at my buddy Rockney's house. However, we've got this hurricane coming, so that kind of throws a wrench into things. And my buddy, he works as an insurance adjuster, so as you can imagine, wherever the hurricane goes, he's going to be going, and he's probably going to be out for a month. So we might not even get to install the engine for about a month. But I'm very excited. This engine is a fully built rods, pistons, stock head, but everything's been refreshed. This is going to be a great engine. I'm really, really happy and excited to be able to drive the Miata and possibly push more power out of it. Supposedly, I think the engine should be good for a good, maybe like 400 horsepower. So I might have to upgrade the drivetrain to even be able to handle that. I'm going to leave the turbo setup as it is right now. The factory, well, the turbo that comes with the turbo kit is only good for about 240, 250 horsepower, maybe a little bit over that. But with the new engine, once I do the suspension, the brakes, tires, wheels, all that stuff, I'm going to save up a little bit more. I'm going to go with a nice, good sized Garrett turbo and maybe go for that 400 mark. So we'll see what happens. But I think we're going to end the vlog here. Me and Stuart, we're going to head back to the warehouse after I drop off the engine at my house, and we're going to pack and ship today's orders. So catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.
Peace.